Merry Christmas, guys. Christmas just ended. So why am I saying Merry? I don't know. Okay, we haven't done a video in a long time, so I'm sorry. But we're just going to do this video, okay? Like, who even cares anymore? So this is what I got. It's Lego. Pretty into Lego Star Wars. Came with 4 guys. Actually 5. There's Chewie, 2 Stormtroopers, a pilot guy, I don't really...
Imperial gunner.
Yeah, Imperial gunner. And there's Han Solo. So here's just the thing. We're gonna build it in time-lapse. So they're trying to steal the stuff inside. So I'm just gonna build it in time-lapse. You're gonna ink. Your friends are gonna help. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Then at the end, I'm going to review it. Alright, these are the pieces. I'm gonna organize it real quick. Number 1. Where's number 1? Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And
so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Stickers and instructions.
Alright, we are good to go. Here are the guys. I really like the white guys. I already have him, but with out the cool armor and the cape. I've sorted all the pieces, and now we are ready to build. We have completed pack 1. These is the thing. I like the feel to it.
It's very smooth. On to
There are
pack
lots
2.
of extra pieces. These boxes, they are supposed to go. This is the guys forgot to add the guns.
Yeah.
I kind of like the guns.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah. I really like these white stormtroopers. Okay, now on to pack 2. Here is the finished second pack. It looks like from the instructions that the third pack will finish it off, the front, and then the back will do it. So you saw me and Emmett creeping in the last little bit just for fun.
We kind of set up a background.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. But anyways,
Yeah, so it's going to finish that off. What I was talking about with Emmett is on this, it shows this, the lighting is kind of bad. It's reflecting. But the the ship right here, it connects with this one. And I have this ship. And so I was wondering if I would, somehow give it to Emmett so that we could, so we could I could trade it with Emmett so that they could kind of go together. But
Yeah.
that's what we're thinking.
Boom!
So stay tuned for pack 3. right, we have finished the front. We're not going to show you all the features, just like
We're gonna do that at the end.
Yeah, but
So,
we finished bag 3.
Still pretty movable. Like right now, I like it because that's how actual trains connect. They just like hatch on right there. But yeah, that's the only feature we're gonna show you.
Next is 4 and 5.
The background might be a little different because we're moving into a different room.
Oh my
lighting.
gosh.
For better
Just ignore that. Don't even turn it on, Miles. It will haunt us.
How do you turn it? Oh yeah.
No! Oh, guys, I gotta get out of here. This is what we have so far. We kind of filmed in a different spot because our little siblings were annoying us. But
Okay, guys, I'm gonna say this right now. We're gonna say this at the end of the video. Sometimes they can be annoying, but they are not little rats.
yeah, they are kind of mad at us because we said that.
So
but
we feel bad for that, and you guys are not little
Yep,
rats.
sibling love.
Yeah, we love you guys.
Yeah.
If you call anybody little rats, take it back right now.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna build the Lego guys pathetically right in
Alright.
front of your faces because we ended the video too early.
Yeah.
Just right here.
Sorry, guys. I was
Okay,
like
so-
the filmer, but I was kind of good at filming though.
Here's Han Solo
All right.
and
Put the head on. Miles, put the head on and get it over with.
Yes!
and then here's his nice, beautiful hair.
He is
Oh
pathetic.
my gosh.
He is like the worst
Well,
hair
for
in the
Lego, it's
galaxy.
good. Imagine. Some people have just
Some Legos just have
wacko hair.
like super smooth hair.
Wait,
and
let's
here
get
we
a
go.
closer look.
Like this
Give me
guy.
it. Wait,
Why is this guy?
shine the flashlight on it so they can get a good look. Here is Han
If
Solo.
we're noobs,
Look
write it
how-
in the chat. I don't even
They took
Yeah.
the cats away.
Oh, they
From
did.
kids?
Yeah. Okay, now Chewbacca.
All right.
Shine
I know
it. Shine it
why.
on Chewbacca.
Not for Solo.
his hairy
Who needs
face.
Solo?
Yeah, he does have a super hairy face.
Oh, I forgot to put the gun on Han Solo. Where's Solo?
Here he is.
Give me
It's in
Solo.
my hand.
I
dude.
think he has the little
super
gun.
hairy face.
Yeah.
At the end of this video,
Honestly, it's kind of
video,
pathetic little gun.
we're
It's
gonna
like-
show you Emmett's
It's just
like.
so small.
Why don't you show
Shine the light on
Your-
it, kids.
I am.
No, you're
Miles
not.
is-
You're just talking.
Yeah. You're
Ready?
Just
Okay.
blabbing.
Wait, no. Show.
Back
Emmett,
onto
show them your
Chewbacca.
Lego army.
Oh, this is my Lego army. Don't you,
Star Wars.
look at that. Look at that.
Show them the duck. That's the best part.
Alright, there's a ship behind there. I'm just kind of bragging right now. Oh,
Okay, show-
look at General. Look how
Nobody
cool he
cares
is.
about him. Just show Chewbacca.
Okay. Oh, there's Chewbacca. I'm gonna have 2 Chewbaccas now.
One young one.
Oh, a Wookiee.
Just
Here's old Hans. Look how pathetic he looks. Just so old. No.
get back to the video.
Okay, sorry.
If we're like
Just
We're little brats right
no,
now.
we're not. We're little.
Yeah, we.
okay, ready? The gun for Chewbacca.
It's so ugly. No,
No, I'm
Nice,
just blown off.
I'm just joking.
Look how ugly he is. No, I'm just kidding. His glasses are a little.
That
nerdy.
guy has the worst gun out of all of them.
Yeah, all right, they're
But that
good.
guy-
They're
All right.
cool. Get this.
Longest little video ever.
I know. Sorry. Okay, let's just get back into it. All right, people. This is done. The Lego Star Wars Imperial Conveyex transporter is officially installed. Now, I said I was going to show all the features, so that's what I'm going to do. Here is a gun cannon. Here's a hatch. If you don't like where it is, which sometimes people might not, because right when someone gets over the ladder, then this guy can, so if you want to, you can move it forward, and you can just put it right smack right there, so it can still spin, and yeah. But I don't know, I'm just gonna keep it right there for now because that's how the set did it. So this thing can open, and here's inside. They're trying to steal these. I forgot what they're called. Here. Right. They're trying to steal these. It's like a battery, and they get money for it or something. I haven't watched Solo in a long time. Alright. Let's just snap it on right there. Put it right there. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Sorry, this is like the worst lighting. There is, let's just turn it sideways. There is a ladder. Hey, what if I were to like open, there we go. There's the ladder. Right there. Climb up the ladder and out on the hatch, which Han Solo's on. Now let's get to the front. I like the front a lot. Alright. Put you back on. Stay. Alright. Here are the white stormtroopers. Go in these little rooms right here. I really like the rooms. Very like cool. I don't really know how to put it. The white stormtroopers. And you might be wondering, where are the guns? Well, they're right in here. There's a little gun hatch. Walk out, get their guns, and it's symmetrical on the other side. Same thing, this can open, stormtrooper will get out, and here's another gun hatch. And just in case it's jammed or something, or it broke, you can like kind of adjust the wire, so I really like that feature. Honestly, the only thing that they probably could have done is do like an extra cart behind it, because the real thing is really long. So just to make it a little bit longer than 2 carts would have been fine. But I think the features like kind of overpower it. Like, I just really like how there's so much things that can like flip, and so just for a little thing to like play with and use, I think it's really great. For $130, I think it's worth it. It's not like a great deal, but it's not like a bad deal. It's like just what it's worth for. So I'm really, really happy with it. I've been wanting it for a long time, and I think you guys should get it. By the way, still moves very smooth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like or subscribe. It would help us a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas. Or day after Christmas.